Ramifications of this judgment go beyond just the issue of in levying taxes on minerals at this point, because as Dr. Pooja Tripathi pointed out, there has been a lot of grouse in terms of states, again coincidentally states which are run by the opposition, who say that they have the amount of GST, for instance, they pay is far more than what they get in return. It's also been a long-standing grouse of the southern states as well, that they contribute disproportionately more to India's revenue and they don't get enough benefits in return, and which is why this entire sentiment that the South is paying for the North's upliftment and so on. So, should there not be a larger topic, a larger debate about whether distributive federalism needs to be looked into, particularly in the fact that there should not be some states which should take the burden of bringing up the entire country and be deprived of what their own resources are, whether it be in the form of natural resources, whether it be in the form of financial resources?
Dipanshu, I don't have anything and rather nothing in my armory to question any of your submissions and any of your suggestions also. They are really welcome. I need to be a healthy and an introspective debate on it. But the way the India Alliance, the way my Congress counterpart, all kudos to her flight of imagination. In 1989 judgment, when Bharatiya Janata Party was no more in picture, and a 1989 dispute has ultimately been settled by the Honorable Supreme Court, we welcome it. So there's nothing like raising a entire trajectory of a virtual war on the center with regard to, you see, with regard to the relations between central and states, and especially the fiscal relations between the central and the states. So particularly the Constitution of India and the plethora of judgments delivered by the Honorable Supreme Court, different high courts also, Niti Ayog, various precedents of Niti Ayog, various, we could say, this Planning Commission of India. So there are certain precedents, certain parameters, certain norms. I'll just refer one part of it. Mamata Banerjee, she was asked to deliver a speech in advance so that the Niti Ayog could go into and peruse into what is the strength behind the demand, what are the financial implications of the demand, and he virtually doesn't even debate, he behold herself from raising a storm in a teacup. So my respectful submission, please don't raise storms in a teacup. This is a beautiful emancipation of cooperative federalism by the highest court of the country. Let this be another milestone in the field of strengthening this cooperative federalism. And lastly, which you want to say, Bharatiya Janata Party and particularly the Modi-led Sarkar at the center, we want a strong center, strong states, stronger relationship between center and states, and particularly stronger fiscal dealings between center and the state, and virtually a stronger India, Naya India, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas. It holds for center-state relations too.